we cherish the memory of feelings on paper. Yet, we desire more convenience. The birth of Supernote is getting a refreshing innovation of paper. Light is only half of the weight of iPad. Fast, extremely low handwriting latency. Flexible, note recognition, automatic execution. Smooth writing offers free flow of thinking. We keep regular ways of reading and writing. Here, have more than paper. Mark down upon the favorite words or sentences. Or when you have your own opinions on it. Take the pen. It is the time to follow inclinations at your pleasure. One paper for all, easy to achieve. Of course, please never forget to share your opinions with right ones. If you prefer the expression of expressionism, click to open up blank paper to release your creativities, to start your wonder journey of fancy imaginations. It is not only a note, it is a kind of assistant even more. Supernote, super creative.